Welcome to this quick demonstration of the new barcode writer in FormMaker. We'll start off by just creating a quick test form. There we are, and going into design mode as per normal. And the barcode writer. Now we've got barcode reader, which has been there for a while now, and here is the barcode writer. Now this is the thing that generates a barcode. So if we drag one of those on, you can see that the default is for it to just put in a little default value of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in the normal way, we pick it and we can see that that's just a default value that we can change if we want to. So we could change this to 9876543 if that's what we wanted to do. And you can see the barcode changes on the fly, or we could just rub this out. But then it's got no barcode, so it may not be clear exactly where that field is, but that's perfectly valid. You can do that if you want to. But I'll just make a little default value in there, just so I can see where it is. If I save that and run the form, as you can see, as I make changes, as I type in the number here, the barcode changes. And basically that's what the barcode writer does. In the settings again, you'll notice that there are two types of barcode it can generate. Code 128 is probably the more normal one. We can also do a code 39, which is a slightly different barcode. As you can see, the bars are slightly denser. Perfectly valid, used by some people, but I think probably more people for packaging and that kind of thing use a code 128, but you got the choice. So there we go. Now there's some interesting things you can do with a barcode writer using formulas. For instance, if we drag on a couple of pickers, what we can do is on the first picker we could have a list of products. Let's just take out the default value, and we'll set the values it can hold to, let's say, beans, cheese, eggs. Okay, and then we'll put a little tag value on this so that we can use it in a formula, and we'll call this one tag 1. There we are, and I'll just take off that label because it's not really that useful. So on the second picker, I'll do the same sort of thing. I'll hide the label, and we'll make this our product codes. So here we'll have 3 different product codes that relate to our beans, cheese, and eggs. I'm just making these numbers up. Right, and in the formula I can say equals index tag 1. There we are, and now when I run this, they should move together now, those two values. So as you can see, as I'm choosing a different product, the product number changes. So now what I've got to do is make the barcode reflect the current product. And I can do that in here by using a formula again. Before I do that, I've got to make the tag on this picker a value that I can use. So this has got tag 2. Call it whatever we like, but I'm just using tag 2 as its name. And here I use the formula equal value tag 2. Okay, now when I run it now, as soon as we choose cheese, it's chosen the one before the cheese number, if you see, eggs, and then it's got what was the value there. And the reason it's doing that is because it's setting the value of the barcode before it's setting the product number over here. So I've just got to make it so that this formula that runs from between the barcode and the product code works after the formula that's linked between the product names and the product codes. And that's easy enough to do. So if I go back to the product, I've just got to mark in the formula that it should run after. Now I put in a value inside curly braces. I'll put in 2, that means just do it second in the sequence. I could make it any value above 1, in fact, in this case. But this will run as the second group of formulas that work. So the first group of formulas that will work is the one that hasn't got a value at all, which is this one to this one. And then, in the second sequence, it will run this one to this one. And that should now work fine. So as you can see now, as eggs is picked, it goes to the egg product code, and then that's reflected in the barcode. And that's kind of quite handy. Now when we come to run it, it's run it and cleared the form, as we'd expect. And we look in the results, and we look at what's actually printed off. You'll see here it's got the barcode, which is great, because we can scan that barcode with another FormMaker form, in fact with a barcode reader on there, which is kind of handy. It's got the beans product code, and it's also got the product numbers down here. Now on a form, you probably don't want this one to be shown. You probably just want this one here and this one here, so you've got the barcode and the products. So what I'll do is I'll show you how to remove a field from the PDF. And if I go into design mode, select this field and set the print to no. Now when I run it, go to cheese and go back to results. There we are, it's just got those 2 values. So there we are, that's the new barcode writer in FormMaker, and I hope you enjoy using it.